Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Faison. And guys, I welcome you into my home once again. Today's video is all about showcasing our fireplace mantles for the holiday season. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Guys, I hope you will enjoy what we will be bringing to you on this day. Now, I'm going to show you how I have created this masterpiece by using some old garland that I've had for several years. So, you're going to see me out on the back porch. You're going to see me getting it all. And you're going to see how I'm going to make this coincide with my Christmas tree. But before we get to all of that, let me say welcome, and that this video is part of a collaboration hosted by Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie and her two amazing co-hosts, Jill of Jill Styles and Jessica Myros. Their links will be in my description box below, so make sure you go over and show them lots of love. Now, if this is your very first time and you like what you see, I would love to have you as part of this family. All you have to do is click that subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice so you're always notified of any and all up and coming videos. All right, with all of that being said, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back and relax because we're going to bring you guys some amazing content. All right, all of that's done. Logistics out of the way. Check out the host and co-host. Show them lots of love. And I'm going to turn you around and let you guys see what I finally came up with. So these picks actually came with the little blue ornaments on them. So I am going to remove all of the blue. I only want the flock look, and it has little gold balls on it. So I'm going to keep that, get rid of the blue ornaments. So that's what I'm sharing right here. So guys, here I am out on my back porch, and what I am doing is reusing some old garland, and I want to give it that flocked effect by using some flocked picks. But before I add my picks, I needed to go in and open up these each of these little, I guess what you call stems or branches, or forget the correct name for these that's on the garland, but you know, I'm all about having to touch and get it looking the way that you want. So I think I've got this pretty much laid out. So I'm gonna run back in, and I came out on the porch because I wanted to be able to spread it out. Yep, it's another one of them old cold nights. And I decided I want to, you know, sometimes when you want to decorate or be creative, you have to go with that moment. Is anybody else like that? When it hits you, you just want to jump up and do what you want to do. So this is what we are looking like. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and as you saw me earlier, I removed the blue ornaments that were attached because I mainly wanted the flock look and the little gold beading parts in here. So I first thought that I would cut these up and cut them off, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to intertwine them into the garland and tie them down that way. So in the future, if I want to use these for an arrangement, I don't have many little pieces to go through. So that's the method I'm going to use to create this look here. And as you can see, it has the little pine cones here and the little flocking going on. So I think this is going to work out very well. And so all you have to do is just take your picks, and you want to have the stem part on the inside, so that on the end, this is not what you see hanging from the end. So I'm going to start by overlapping this just a little bit at the top, especially where the outlet part is. So I'm basically just going to go in and use my little, I cannot think of what you call these little branches. They're not branches, but they're like, you know, I hope you know what I'm talking about. But I'm going to take these and I'm going to tie my my pick onto here. Now, if you don't want to use your picks or the little, I'm blank. If you don't want to use these to tie on, you could, of course, get some wire and use it to tie them together. So it'll still work out for you. So my goal is just to get this look to coincide with my tree. Now I have 10 of these, and I got these from Joann's. They had you buy one and get 3 free. So good price there. And if you see how I'm doing this now, it looks like there's a spacing in between where the two are. You can either go in and add an ornament, or you can overlap and add another pick in here. So I'm just going to wait before I do that, just to see if I have enough. And this is a 9-foot garland. And this garland is, do you guys remember when Sam's Club used to have the really pretty garland? And I think it used to be like 99 bucks, but you know, if they happen to have any at the end of the season, you will score a good deal. So some I did pay the regular price, and then some I got at the end of the season, which taught me that first year to kind of wait and see what they have. And so I am just going in here and tying these off. And I've had this garland for many years now. And guys, when you're choosing your picks, especially to get the bang for your buck, you want to choose the more full picks. Some of them don't usually come as full as the other ones. But this is one that is not as full, but it was kind of like the last of what they had. So I grabbed all of the ones that they had and figured that I could work with them. Let's see, this is good and full. time I would have lit my little stovetop here, a fire pit, but I didn't come to stay. I want to work. Anyway, it's coming off pretty good. I am loving the way this is looking. This is a different type of pick, and so I'm just adding it in for a little more fullness. It too has little frosted ends and the flock look of the pine cones here, and it's a little bit longer than the other one, so I'm just gonna go in and add these, and I actually have 3 of these, so 10 of the full flock and then 3 of these. So I'm going to take these on the inside and place it on the garland. See you on the inside. So guys, if you watched this all the way through, you saw me out on the porch adding these picks to give it that flocked look. And these are some of the picks that I've added through to bring in that flock look that I have on my tree. And you saw hubby and I, we brought it on the inside and we laid it up here as best as we could. I think I just overloaded this thing because I love for it to be so amazing. I went in and added some floral picks, some poinsettias, and just some other little, I think this looks almost like what? Oh, my favorite flower, and I can't even think of it. Okay, never mind. We're going to keep this moving because it is part of a collaboration. So I've layered it here. You saw the garland that I worked on. You saw me do the flocking. I added in the feather board because I had that on my tree. Then I also went in with this leaf garland here, the glitter leaf garland, and it's battery operated. Added in some beautiful ornaments here, and these are some ornaments that I've had for a very long time. Don't remember where I got these from, but this is like the icicle look, and this is kind of like that pinnacle look here. So the garland itself is lighted garland, and then I just added the more lights on top. Added in some of my beautiful reindeer, and these are some of the deer that I purchased from Belk. Absolutely beautiful. Let's see if I can get you up. See a little bit closer for the deer. And I just added these 3 in here just to look like the little deer head standing from the top. I've added in these little candle holders, but I haven't added my candles yet. Not quite sure what candles I want to put up here. Maybe as it gets closer to Christmas, I'll decide. But for now, this is the look that I'm going for. The very luxe, very elegant, absolutely beautiful. And I will probably put a wreath over the mirror there. I haven't done that yet. Mostly just focusing on this part here today, as it is part of the collaboration. So guys, I don't know what just happened there. It went a little dark, but I hope you'll enjoy it. And if you do, if you're new, coming from the other channels. Just make sure you give us all a thumbs up, subscribe to the channels if you're new, and come back and pay us a visit. Guys, be blessed. Take care until the next video. I'm your host here, your Styling with Gigi Face, and a special thanks to Stephanie, Jill Styles, and Jessica Myros. Be blessed, guys. Thanks a lot for watching.